Um dos tiros atingiu a cabeça de um dos policiais.
A notícia da morte é um trauma difícil de ser superado.
That you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light.